Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this new listing for a client. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're out here at 3440 North Palo Verde. It's kind of the top of Palo Verde, so it's not as busy. It is one of our, loop main streets. But it's far enough up where people have pretty much peeled off. So as you can see, it's not super busy. And right across the street is open desert. So this one was just listed about 7 days ago for $379,900. They do have some gated side RV boat type parking. Let's go on in and check it out. All right guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 1998, 1,402 square feet. Sits on your standard 10,000 square foot lot. Again, this one was just listed for $379,900. So you have a nice open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, split bedroom layout. You have a little tiled dining kitchen area with the French doors out to the backyard. So you have a rear kitchen, has laminate counters, but they're in good shape. That door is to a little pantry. Here's your pantry. Little backyard shot out the kitchen window. You do have RO at the sink. So this is a split floor plan, so you have the master on one side and the other guest bedrooms on the other. So you have your indoor laundry, garage door access, and your master. Not a bad size. I always like to see some kind of door or slider out to the backyard from the master. So you have your master bath, solid surface counter with one sink, fiberglass walk-in shower with sliding glass door. You have your walk-in closet, has a built-in wall safe. So you have the other 2 bedrooms and guest bath on the other side of the house. So you have the first guest bedroom at the rear of the house. This one's a little smaller. Double slider closet door. And then you have the second guest bedroom at the front of the house. So you have your indoor laundry and garage door access. So you have your standard 2-car garage, 30 feet all the way to the wall, 7-foot door. You have your RO, there's a water softener loop, and your hot water. There's some built-in shelving. Looks like they have a window type AC, man door to the side yard. So out the kitchen, double doors, you have a covered patio, fully walled in backyard. Plenty of room for a pool. So you have an extra wide gated side RV boat access to the backyard. Basically drive all the way around here if you wanted to. Alright guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Palo Verde. Again, this one was just listed about 7 days ago for $379,900. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.